Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Cacio e Pepe cheese puffs. What are they? They are those yummy Gougères. You know, those little cheese puff things you see at parties, you pop in your mouth and you think, this is heaven. Cacio e Pepe is native to Rome, so of course this recipe has pecorino Romano cheese in it and some pepper, which is what Pepe means. You put it together quickly on the stove, put it in your food processor, and then into the oven they go. And they freeze well too. This is heavenly perfect. We're gonna make them because when a puff you will make cheese and pepper to bake, that's amore. When you take your first bite and it's so out of sight, that's amore. Amore. First thing you'll want to do, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Put your small saucepan at medium heat. Add 1 cup whole milk, ½ cup unsalted butter, teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of pepper. Wait until bubbles just start to form around the edge once this is all melted together. The bubbles are forming around the edge. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add a cup of flour in immediately and lower the temperature and beat vigorously, cooking it for 2 minutes. Two minutes are up, remove from stove. Add to your food processor. Add 4 eggs. ½ cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese. ½ cup pecorino Romano. Mix until completely incorporated. Get a pastry bag ready with a tip that's 5/8 round, or just fill a regular Ziploc baggie and cut a snip at the bottom. Take the mixture and put it in the bag. Get 2 cookie sheets ready to go with parchment paper. The sizing is going to be about this. It's going to be 1 1/4 inches wide in diameter, and it'll be about 3/4 of an inch high. So I made a little template for myself here so I'll know. They should ultimately look like Hershey's Kisses, but you all know pastry skills are not my forte, so let's give this a go. Probably something like that. Make sure they're 1 inch apart. What we want to do is get rid of the mounds that we've made here. So just take some fingers in a little bit of water and we're just going to press that down, just like that. Mix 1 teaspoon of milk into 1 egg. We're going to brush this on top of our cheese puffs. Lightly brush each. Sprinkle the tops with 2 tablespoons pecorino Romano. Season with additional salt and pepper as you like. Put in your hot oven for 15 to 20 minutes. They should puff up really nicely, be a nice golden brown. Rotate the pans as needed halfway through. Halfway point, let's rotate the pans. eyes up and they look good. Oh, yum. You can serve them hot immediately, yum, or you can let them cool, freeze them, and reheat them and eat them later. I'm eating them now. The Cacio e Pepe cheese puff is hot, and it is nice and puffy. Yum, it baked really nice, a nice golden brown. The bottoms as well. Let's take a bite. Mmm. It is cheesy and delicious. Need I say more, really? It is light and fluffy. You can see how airy it is in the middle. These are divine. Could certainly eat many of them at once. It's not a bad idea. If I can make Cacio e Pepe cheese puffs or Gougères for the very first time in my life with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going back for more of those hot cheese puffs. Yes.